Hello there friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances, and today we are opening up the advent calendar from Shop Disney. I bought this in October. October is spooky season, who am I? But I wanted 3 of the pins in here, and other people have graciously purchased some of the pins. Some of them will still be available. But without further ado, we're just going to open this. It makes a wreath. So the top comes off completely, and this is like your pin board. And then I've been told that like the boxes have different stuff in them. Like some people aren't getting the correct stuff. Also, these boxes are like, I don't have nails. I'm gonna try to open them in order, but like, holy crap. How am I getting this out? Hold on, I need to see if I can find something to like pull it out with. I'm gonna try eyeliner. Nope. Good tweezers. My makeup thing is over here, so tweezers. Holy crap. No, these things are like so hard to get out. Oh my god. I need scissors. This is not going well. Okay, you need scissors and tweezers to open this up. Fair warning. Number 1 is Ariel. Oh my gosh, this process didn't take forever, guys. Oh, good lord. Number 2 is Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so long because I can't get these stupid things out. Number 3 is Donald. Yeah, tweezers and scissors, guys. Tweezers and scissors. They have pull tabs. They're not opening. Jack Skellington. I could have done like 1 for every day, but we're just gonna open this entire thing. This is why I wait for the 24 days of Christmas. This is Minnie Mouse, and we're on number 5. Number 6 is Jasmine. Number 7 is Pinocchio. I'm literally pulling like these drawers out with tweezers. Eight is Goofy. Nine is Tiana. I thought it was going to be a short video. It's now like very long. This is one of the ones I'm keeping. This is Stitch. Stitch was in my number 10. Huey, Dewey, and Louie is in 11. What is this? 12. 12 is Dumbo. These pins are huge, guys. Like, these are good size pins. We're halfway there. This is Arthur. That was my 13. My 14 is Chip. My 15 is Mickey. My 16 is Cheshire. I literally only had 10 minutes of mem space on this, and I feel like I'm gonna use it all. What's gonna stop first? My memory card or me? Tigger was 17. I'm just gonna pull them all out. You can only do one row at a time with my tweezer method. $18 is Pluto. Figment's another one I'm keeping. He was my number 19. I'm also keeping my number 20, which is Tinkerbell. We have Scrooge McDuck as my 21. My 22 is Peter Pan. My 23. I think I'm missing Dale and Dumbo. Dale is my 23. And hopefully this is Dumbo. It's Orange Bird. I didn't see Dumbo. Interesting. Do you remember me saying Dumbo? I feel like somebody bought a Dumbo from me. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to go through this again. Okay. Orange Bird was my last one. Let me know down below what your favorite pin was. Let me know if you're looking for anything, and message me if you were looking for anything. Some of these are sold, some of these are not. If you liked this video, very chaotic video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do Disney pin and lifestyle content. If you're not already, hit that bell icon so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. See you in the next one.
And you never know what kind of figment you may come up with. Oh, here's my favorite.